I'm going to show you how to set the day, date, and time on your citizen watch. As you see here, it got a first click, and then you got the second click is for the time. Okay, I'm going to push it back in. The first click right there, you notice that the time is still going. You go clockwise to set the day of the week for clockwise. And to set the date, you go counterclockwise. You see the 13, 14, 15. You see I'm going counterclockwise. Okay, let's do it again. Clockwise is to set the day of the week. And counterclockwise is to set the date. Okay, to set the time, just click it out once more. And you notice that the seconds gonna stop. And to increase the time, you go clockwise. And to decrease the time, you go counterclockwise. And that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.